Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma yakumkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukele naze ezinohlonze eminije.
The first to 7 respondents undertake not to proceed with the funeral and/or burial of the late president pending the finalization of the application.
Inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli isinqumo ukuthi kufanele kungaqhubeki ukufihlwa kukaloyo wayengumengameli waseZambia u-Edgar Lungu namhlanje. Lokhu ke yize umndeni wakhe ubusuvele kusingethe inkonzo yakhe yomngcwabo eGoli.
I've already printed and scanned and tweeted my letter to him, which is a letter of demand. I expect him to apologize.
Okhulumela iqembu umkhonto wesizwe uNhlanhla Ndlela usemangaleleke lo bengunobhala ke jikelele waleli iqembu uFloyd Shivambu efuna ukuthi axolise ngemva ukuthi emsole ngokuba ke isigqila sesidakamizwa.
Service delivery in Johannesburg has collapsed. I don't need to elaborate in great detail on that.
I-action exercise kube kwacaca ukuthi angeke imeseke uDada Morero njengoba namhlanje kuvotelwa ke isiphakamiso somngabethembu ubuholi bakhe njengemeya yaseGoli. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyokwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezikunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo ke na ku-SABC Lihaya. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli isinqumo ukuthi kufanele kungaqhubeki ukufihla kalowo owayengumengameli waseZambia u-Edgar Lungu namhlanje. Lokhu yize umndeni wakhe ubusuvele ke usingethe inkonzo yakhe yomngcwabo eGoli.
Ngezithuba zehora le-11 ekseni abantu bese beqalile ukuthutheleka ngaphakathi esontweni iCathedral of Christ the King eHillbrow eGoli enkonzweni yomngcwabo kaLungu. Nokho ukuqhubeka kohlelo oluphelele belwencike esinqumweni senkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli bekufanele ikhiphe umyalelo ukuthi umngcwabo ungaqhubeka eGoli noma kuzofanele isidumbu sihanjiswe kwela kube eZambia.
By agreement between the parties, an order is made in the following terms. The first to 7 respondents undertake not to proceed with the funeral and/or burial of the late president pending the finalization of the application in prayer 5. Infra. 2. If any party wishes to intervene in this application, they are to file their notice of motion and founding affidavit or any answering affidavit on or before the 18th of July 2025.
Umntonsiswano phakathi komndeni kaLungu nohulumeni waseZambia umiko lokuthi abomndeni bafuna kugcinwe isifiso sakhe abathi uhambe emhlabeni engafuni ukuthi ongumengameli waseZambia uHakainde Hichilema abe ingxenye yokufihlwa kwakhe. Ngakolunye uhlangothi uhulumeni waseZambia umiko lokuthi okwenzayo ukwenzela abantu bezwe ngenxa yokuhlonipha uLungu ngokwemisebenzi yakhe ngesikhathi esengumengameli wezwe laseZambia.
Lo okhulumela iqembu umkhonto wesizwe uNhlanhla Ndlela uzichithile insolo zokuthi usebenzisa izidakamizwa wathi ke uzomangalela ubengunobhala jikelele weqembu uFloyd Shivambu ngenhloso yokumphoqa ukuba axolise ngokudicelela phansi igama lakhe.
Okhulumela iqembu umkhonto wesizwe uNhlanhla Ndlela uyazichitha izinsolo zokuthi wahlinzeka umholi weqembu Jacob Zuma umbiko wezobunhloli malungana nokuthi lowo bengunobhala jikelele weqembu uFloyd Shivambu ufuna ukuhlutha iqembu. uNdlela uthi unobufakazi obuphathekayo obuveza uShivambu exoxisana namanye amalungu eqembu ngezinto ezingase zilimaze umkhonto wesizwe.
Some of the transcripts and the feedback was that yes, he had taken Dudu's hat and there were aims to bewitch her and this is what is obviously also circulated. And this is what it is, and that he will then deal with that woman who's directionless.
Is this part of
and
what
this
was
conversation with an individual in Malawi? And that he would then ensure that when the old man passes on, he takes over the party. So these are some of the conversations that are happening and that are taking place. So it's a lot.
Kule ngxoxo uNdlela uyachitha ukuthi iqembu lithola imali ezweni laseMorocco. Uthi kunalokho uShivambu yena waye ezindlini zenxusa laseMorocco ngaphandle kokwazisa ubuholi beqembu.
The Moroccan embassy is where he went. And this is the thing with the person that we're dealing with. I mean, these are absurd.
To be clear, MK Party has never received money from Morocco.
We've never received money from Morocco. Our responsibility, as we'll share, is to ensure that we have a united front. And we will communicate exactly what our posture is in our discussions.
Uzichithileke nezinsolo zokuthi usebenzisa izidakamizwa wathi uzomangalela uShivambu ngenhloso yokumphoqa ukuba axolise.
I've already printed and scanned and tweeted my letter to him, which is a letter of demand. I expect him to apologize. I am not in any fighting spirit with him.
I-Action SA isheshiya kubeka kwacaca ukuthi angeke imeseke uDada Marero njengoba kuvotelwa ukuthi asuswe kwesokuba kuyimeya yaseGoli. Kusenjalo ke sikhona ke nesithangami sokuba kususwe uSithembiso Zungu kwesokuba ke ngusotswebhu omkhandlu kanye ke nesokuba ke kususwe uNobuhle Mthembu kwesokuba ke ngusomlomo wawo umkhandlu.
We met with the ANC on Monday night. We have communicated to the ANC that we will not be voting to defend Dada Marero in today's council meeting. We have come to this conclusion because, frankly speaking, service delivery in Johannesburg has collapsed. I don't need to elaborate in great detail on that.
Usihlalo we-Action SA ukubeke kwacaca ukuthi ngeke leli qembu livotela ukuthi imeya yaseGoli ingasuswe esikhundleni. Ngakolunye uhlangothi i-Democratic Alliance ibambe isithangami nayo esimayelana nokuthi akakufanele ukuba imeya yaseGoli uDada Marero nokuthi kususwe uSithembiso Zungu kwesokuba ngusotswebhu omkhandlu. I-DA iphinde yakuphikisa ukuthi yeseke i-Aljama kwekufunayo.
It's factually untrue. It's propaganda spread by the executive mayor because he's worried that he might just be removed. We have not met with Aljama, nor have we made any agreements to form any governments because the Democratic Alliance do things differently and transparently. At local government, we don't discuss coalition agreements. If this motion succeeds, our provincial leadership and our national leadership will then also discuss to have, if there's governments that need to be formed. We have initially submitted a motion against the Speaker, and it's on principle because the principle remains the same.
Ne-Aljama imfune esukile uNobuhle Mthembu e-Action SA esikhundleni sokuba ngusomlomo womkhandlu. Kusenjalo i-ANC ithema ngabe i-Action SA ingayeseka odabeni lwemeya yaseGoli nayo ngeke yeseke odabeni likaNobuhle Mthembu.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uJosienzo Ramokgopa useqinisekise impumelelo enkulu kwezemali njengoba iCity Power kanye neEskom sebefinyelela esivumelwaneni sokukhokha isikweleti sika 3.2 billion wamarandi. uRamokgopa umemezelo lokesithangamini nabezindaba eBramfontein izolo. Bukeleke sixolise ngaloko sizozama ukuthi siphinde sibuyele kulo ke lolu daba. Kanti masihlabela phambili umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezomdaba izolo uxoxisane namalungu eParliament malungana ke nomonakalo odalwe izikhukhula ezihlaseleke kamumva esifundazweni iEastern Cape. Kubikwa ukuthi umonakalo olinganiselwa cishe emalini engu5.1 billion wamarandi.
Imo yezulu embi eyasuba imiphefumulo yabantu yonakalisa amakhaya ngaphezulu kwama6,000 800 ishiya abantu abangaphezulu kwama4,700 bengenandawo yokuhlala. Izikolo, amaziko empilo, indlela, umbane kunye nonatyiso lwenkonzo lwamanzi lonakele. Le ndawo ibonwa njengentlekele kodwa isabekwe esisweni.
Should there be an extra stumbling block that requires a declaration, we will consider going to that state. But for now, the classification has activated every sector. There is nothing short.
Isebe lithi abantu bayaxhaswa ngokwasemphefumlweni nangento esiwa phansi kwempumlo kusetyenziswa ingxowa-mali yesibonelelo sikaxakeka. Akukabikho sicelo esifakiweyo kwimali ekuvimba.
Every year we budget for what is called the reserve. We wanted to bump it up, but the resources didn't allow us. So it's sitting at about 5 billion as we speak.
uGodongwana uvakalise ukuxhalaba esithi sele enyusiwe amaxabiso eziqhuma zokutya. Dingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Bukele sibelo kulo-ke lolu daba ungqongqoshe wezogesi udokotela uHosiyenzo Ramokgopa useqinisekise impumelelo enkulu kwezemali njengoba-ke iCity Power kanye-ke ne-Eskom sebefinyelele esivumelwaneni sokukhokha-ke isikweletu sika-3.2 billion wamarandi. uRamokgopa umemezele lokhu esithangamini nabezindaba eBramfontein izolo.
Sokuthi iCity Power ikhokhe isikweletu sika 3.2 billion wamarandi siza njengoba iEskom yakhipha isixwayiso ngolwezi wangonyaka odlule isabisa ngokucishela izakhamuzi segoli ugesi. Kanti kufinyelelwe kulesinqumo njengemuva kokuthi inkantolo iyalele lezinhlangothi zombili ukuthi zixazulule lokuphikisana.
City Power they will pay the 3.2 billion rands over a period of 4 years. So it's important that there's an appreciation that this is a big ticket of 3.2 billion rands. Of course, that amount has been in dispute, and City Power, I want to emphasize, and City of Johannesburg have done everything possible to maintain paying the current account despite all these difficulties.
Idolobha eGoli linqabile ukukhokha isikweletu sokuqala sika 4.9 billion amarandi njengoba lithi selikhokhe ngokwanele. Kanti ke nengxenye enkulu yesikweletu isuliwe njengengxenye yesivumelwane.
830 million, and that comes as a result of first they don't have to pay an interest on that which is being owed. I've made the point that Eskom has considered with regards to the periods of load shedding, the estimations, and also the penalties that have to do with notifiable maximum demand. So all of those have been removed.
uRamokgopa uthi okunye kuseqhulwini ngasohlangothini lwakhe ukubhekana nokukhuphuka kwezindleko zogesi.
Bukele-ke sisathi qu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
Umthetho sisathi mawuhambe indima yawo. Ukuthi sifunayo umthetho uhambe indima yawo.
Inkantolo yemantshi yaseRoodeport isihlehlisele inyanga ezayo icala lomlisa oneminyaka engama-39 yasolwa ngokubulala-ke intombazane ebeneminyaka eyi-18 uLikhona Fuse. Bukele-ke sikubingelele sukwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli isenqumo ukuthi kufanele kungaqhubeki ukufihlwa kalowo owayengumengameli waseZambia uEdgar Lungu eGoli namhlanje. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Yena ukuzuzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola kumjalo bazo. Ezinye zezakhamuzi zaseKliptown eGoli zibonake sengathi kuncane okungabungazwa-ke ngebanga leminyaka seloku kwethulwa-ke usomqulu wenkululeko owaziwa ngele-Freedom Charter. Kusasa-ke kuzobe kuhlangana-ke iminyaka engama-70 seloku kwethulwa-ke usomqulu wenkululeko eKliptown ngo-1955.
Kulapha-ke lapho iphupho leNingizimu Afrika labunjwa khona eminyakeni engu-70 edlule. Le ndawo ke yakhiwela ukuthi isikhumbuze ngegalelo lalabo abasicabela indlela. Kodwa kule minyaka edlule ingqalasizinda yaqhubeka nokuwa. Lokhu ke okungehli kahle kulabo abanethemba lokuthi izimo zabo ziphuculwe.
If all political parties within its frameworks, if they can, however, ensure and reassure that people come first, they mustn't just empower their pocket, but they must think about those who have actually voted them in power.
Uhulumeni uthi useqalileke ukufaka imali ukuqinisekisa ukuthi le ndawo iyavuseleleka. Le ndawo isakhungethwe ububha nemikhukhu engenazo izinsiza.
We are also looking at the whole development of Kliptown. Development Planning Department, we've allocated money for them to develop the design of Kliptown, how to look like.
Le ndawo esimikuyona ke indawo ebaluleke kakhulu ngoba phela iyona eyasinika iningizimu Afrika lena ke esiphila kuyo namhlanje. Kodwa ke izinkinga ezibhekene nobupha zisekhona. Umbuzo omkhulu ke ukuthi ngabe ubuholi obukhona njengamanje bukulungele yini ukuthi ke bulwisane nalokho. Umzondile Mbejo, SABC, eGoli.
I-ANC esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ezihlakaze zonke izifunda zayo eziyishumi nomuvo nokuyisinqumo esithathwa yithimba elikhethekile lesifundazwe elethuleke ekuqaleni kwalonyaka. Lenhlanganithi lokhu kuyisiqalo kesezihlelo zokuvuselela wonke amagatsha ayo ngaphambi kokhetho lohulumeni ke bezindawo ngonyaka ozayo.
I-ANC KwaZulu-Natal ithi uhlelo lokwakha kabusha izinhlaka zeqembu luqhubeka kahle kakhulu. Leli qembu lathola amaphesenti angu-17 okhethweni lukazwelonke lisuka ku-54 kwamaphesenti. Ubuholi beqembu besikhashana esifundazweni sebuthathe isinqumo sokuhlakaza ubuholi bazo zonke izifunda zeqembu eziyishumi nomuvo.
These task team consist of capable, disciplined and committed cadres who have demonstrated unwavering loyalty to the movement and a capacity for organizational leadership.
I-ANC iphinde yaqinisekisa labo abasebenzisa isikhungo sezemali ithala ukuba imali yabo iphephile. Lokhu kuza ngemuva kokuthi kube nesingxoxo nongqongqoshe wezemali kuzwelonke.
The initial indication that the minister could only provide a guarantee for those depositors who are up to 100,000. Now the new arrangement then says all depositors will be given a guarantee, which is, we regard this agreement as a game changer.
Ezindabeni zokuphathwa kukahulumeni leli qembu lithi lizokusingatha ingqungquthela ekhethekile ezokudingida kabanzi ngodaba lokuhlinzekwa kwezakhamuzi ngamanzi. I-ANC iphinde yazwakalisa ukuthi izokubamba izingxoxo namaqembu esebenzisana nawo kuhulumeni ngokukhononda kwayo ngendlela umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana esifundazweni ongenelela ngayo kwabanye omasipala. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC iseThekwini.
Inkantolo yemantshi yase-Roodepoort isihlehliselo mhla zimbili kwezokwethwasa iyicala lomlisa oneminyaka engama-39 uMduduzi Mnisi osolwa ke ngokubulala intombazane ebeneminyaka eyi-18 uLikhona Force. Umbuso uthi kunobunye ubufakazi obuvelayo nokusafanele kubhekisiswe.
Umndeni kaLikhona Force uthi uzolalela okushiwo inkantolo emva kokuthi umsolwa eliphikile icala izolo wabese beka isizathu sokuthi kungani ethi akahlobene nokubulawa kukaForce. Umndeni kaForce uthi ufuna kuvela benzi bokubi qha bese umthetho uyabajezisa.
Asikoneliseki ngoba manje ngoku ibala kuprosponwa kuvela kuphinda kuvela ukutsha manje kodwa ke sisasabele le ndithi umthetho sisathi mawuhambe indima yawo ngoba esifunayo umthetho uhambe indima yawo. Thina siyifemeli akho bani besimchuzile sathi ngubani yena uzivelele namanje sathi umthetho mawuhambe ke indima yawo kodwa yona sifisayo noma ngubani ongumbulali into esifisayo nje umthetho ungadedeli usebenze ngendlela ofanele usebenze ngayo.
Okhulumela umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uthi banxusa amalungu omphakathi angaba nolwazi aphumela obala ukuze kulekelele amaphoyisa ngesikhathi kuqhubeka uphenyo.
If there's people that might have witnessed anything, they need to report to the law enforcement agencies, as it were. It will make life easy. Unlike you come to court, you know, people are not sure about what transpired, or probably evidence is lacking because of a lack of involvement or participation of the members of the community.
Umsolwa uzogcinwa esitokisini kuze kube uvela ngaphambi kwenkantolo ngokuzayo.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakazi siyabuya. bukeli usale kahle.